Rico Blanco is a Filipino singer, songwriter, multi instrumentalist, record producer, actor, endorser, and entrepreneur. He was born at Manila Doctors Hospital in Ermita, Manila on March 17, 1973 to Reina Eldejar Blanco of Iloilo City and Purita Crisostomo Grandosa of late. Blanco grew up in San Pedro Laguna. Blanco graduated in the Ateneo de Manila University with a degree of AB in Management Economics. Blanco is currently in a relationship with the actress and singer-songwriter Maris Russell. Blanco's songs and performances gained success and critical acclaim, earning himself a reputation of being one of the well-received local music icons in the Philippines. In 2021, Rico released his newest single. A new cover version of Pinoy Echo entitled Pinoy Tayo was released in 2021 for the brand new season of Pinoy Big Brother Community Season 10. His single Wag Mo Nga Aminin was the number one song for 2016 in Magic 89.9's OPM chart. He began his career as one of the founding members and served as the chief songwriter, vocalist, guitarist, and keyboardist of the Filipino rock band River Maya from 1994 until 2017 and has been a solo artist since 2018. On January 9, 2016, he reunited with his former River Maya core members Parvati Castro, Nathan Azarcona, and Mark Escueta for a secret mini semi-reunion following the Castro's gig at 19 East Taguig City. On November 27, 2015, Blanco released his third album Dating Gawi. In 2012, Blanco released a new single, Amar's, available for digital download via iTunes. The single was taken from his second studio album, Galactic Firestormic, released on July 10, 2012. In May 2010, Blanco was announced to be on the cast of ABS CBN's supernatural political thriller TV series Immortal, which stars John Lloyd Cruz and Angel Loxing. Blanco also sang the song Kahit Walang Sabihin for the said TV series. This was followed by the launch of Rico Blanco's very own company, Balcony Entertainment, in cooperation with Warner Music Philippines. In February 2009, he won as Best New Artist in the Max Music Awards 2009. Then Blanco was picked by Unilever Philippines to rewrite and sing a version of the regional campaign song of Close Up Toothpaste, released a single entitled Come Closer. In December 2009, Blanco launched his new music video for the single Ayush. In November 2008, Blanco won the Vocalist of the Year award in the NU Rock Awards. In December 2008, he was heralded RX 93.1 OPM Solo Artist of the Year. On June 12, 2008, Warner Music Philippines launched Rico Blanco's first single Yukto, which marked his entry in the Filipino music industry as a solo artist. Critics and music fans immediately hailed it as a new epic. In 2007, he launched a clothing line for a clothing brand in the Philippines, Human. Blanco also wrote and produced an electronic dance music song titled Control for the album of Nancy Castiglione. In the same year, Rico Blanco was also cast as the voice actor of Ryosuke Minami, lead guitarist of the fictional band Beck in the Filipino dubbed edition of the anime series Beck Mongolian Chop Squad. In May 2007, Blanco announced his departure from River Maya. His last performance with River Maya was on May 4, 2007 at the Metro Bar. It was coincidental that Rico's the first gig as singer for River Maya was also held at the Metro Bar. Furthermore, first ever River Maya gig was in Las Pinas in 1993, where the band was the opening act for Eraserheads. In 2014, Rico Blanco was introduced as the newest brand ambassador of Giordano Philippines. He currently serves as the president of the Filipino Society of Composers, Authors and Publishers, a non-profit, non-government collective management organization that campaigns intellectual property rights.